video for the camera's already running, so let's see if this thing will take off with that camera on there. GPS is working fine. You know, it's dancing around, but they were all doing that. All the ones I flew with this damn thing on here were dancing around. You know, this is not like some kind of uncommon thing. Even the Mavic Pro was dancing around. Okay. Yeah, does it wobble? Yeah, it's wobbling like crazy. But is it crashing? No, it's not crashing. So let me bring it in here real quick to check the heat on the motors, because this usually will heat up motors pretty good, because this weight is a lot of weight for these things. But I don't see any reason why it can't fly, okay? That's the way the Bebops land, okay? They land like that. Let me take the camera off, because we did that part already and I could stop that video. So we've shown that it could do it. So it will work. So the motors, they're actually not that hot. Not like the Mavic Pros. Of course they do have that plastic over them because of the thing, but I don't feel any radiant heat coming out of there, so I'm not done flying the Bebop. I might as well just fly it around a little bit while I'm here, right? Because I still got some battery left. 82%. Yeah, that's good. I can stand here in the shade and fly the Bebop. Which is a great flying quadcopter, actually. Sport mode, that's what I always use for this. Now, yes, it does fly a lot better without the Insta360 on there. Indeed it does. But it doesn't fly any worse than any of the other ones. You know, if I wanted to chug it, I could chug it. I mean, I don't think it was going to fail. It was fine. I just didn't take it up too high, but I think it was going to be fine, to be honest with you. Yeah, is it hard on the quadcopter? Hell yeah, it's hard. On a quadcopter like this, that camera is hard. Now, when I took the Phantom 1 out there, that was no problem. That was absolutely, that was like for this thing to pick up a blade of grass. I keep forgetting I'm not in my spot. I'm in a different spot where the shade is. This is the only safe spot in this whole park right here where I'm at. Believe me, nowhere else is safe. Nowhere else is safe. It's like instant boil. Man, I'll tell you, I love this Bebop too. This thing flies. It's so sporty. You know, it's just a lot of fun to fly this thing. Here comes a plane. No, it's a chopper. He's up there pretty good. He's more than 400 feet, I can tell you that. I'm trying to get the flips to work, but I can't seem to figure it out. I did it on the Bebop yesterday, went up at Lake Donegal, but I can't. I know it works on here because I've done it before. So that's not even an issue. Oh well, I still got a little bit of battery left. What if there's something? Oh, maybe it's in the sport mode. It won't do it. That's right. I know what I'll do. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Look how slow it is in the video mode. Well, you talk about granny, as Eric always says. I can't even get it to turn to yaw the whole way around. Look how slow it is. But I don't think the flips work in the sport mode. I don't think. I don't know. We're going to find out here in a second, right? That's it. That was it. So there they goes. There it goes. It's the B button and the yaw stick. Okay, so they don't actuate in the sport mode. Let me put the sport mode back on because that is just way too slow for me. Okay, well, we're almost down to 50% of the battery, so. Yeah, that's where this thing's a lot of fun, is the sport mode. Yeah, it jellos up the video and stuff, but you know, I don't care about that. Not with this thing. This thing's a real beast, man. I'm telling you. This thing is extremely stout. Alright, guys. I'm bringing her in. I did my little test for Jimmy. Okay, so. Well, I made it somewhat on the thing, right? Oh well. Alright guys, there you go. Bebop 2 with the 360 on there. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later.